It's the Weather Xtreme video for Monday, the 19th of October. I'm James Spann, and we are looking at a warming trend this week and still no chance of rain through Friday. The weekend, well, Sunday's kind of iffy. Let's go in there and check things out this morning. There's the water vapor satellite view. See, ridging beginning to build. The trough that brought the cold air is lifting out, but it's still cold this morning. Look at that. Freezing this morning, 32 at Cullman and Haleyville, 34 for the Shoals and Decatur, 36 in Fort Payne. Birmingham at 44, but this will be the last morning for most with the frost for a while, although colder pockets might see a little bit early tomorrow. Got a frost advisory for about the northern third of the state this morning, all of Tennessee, and freeze warnings in effect for a number of states over the eastern U.S., as this is easily the coldest air we've seen so far this season. Convective outlook today, there is a marginal severe weather threat for parts of the southwest United States. Arizona, Utah, and Colorado. But obviously no problems here, and no rain here again for the next 5 days. This is the rain ballot through Saturday morning, suggesting nothing. But on the 7-day outlook, rain creeps in here. This is valid through Monday morning, so there's a chance rain could return toward the latter part of the weekend, Sunday. And, of course, this is race weekend at Talladega. Timing is a big deal. We'll take a look at that as we go. Tropical weather, things stay quiet, at least for the first few days of this week. Again, we'll be watching the Gulf for any signs of potential mischief, as the models have suggested that later this month. Let's take a look at the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. We have troughing in the western U.S., producing the unsettled weather there, but ridging beginning to build here. And a warming trend begins today. We'll expect a high around 70, but just a beautiful fall day. Tomorrow we start the day in the 40s, mid-40s in most spots, but again, the colder pockets could see 30s again. And then the high tomorrow afternoon should be in the low and mid-70s. Wednesday, how about upper 70s? We stay dry. This is Thursday, a chance we touch 80 Thursday afternoon, maybe low 80s in spots. And Friday, another beautiful day, and could be a fairly warm day with ridging. In fact, the GFS is printing a high of 84 Friday, so don't think the 80s are over just yet. We'll have a few of those days left. All right, weekend fans, this is Saturday. We're dry, but you can see rain west of the state with a trough lifting out, and there's no well-organized tropical system. You know, the global models had suggested maybe a tropical system coming up toward Louisiana. Really, that's not showing up now. It does have a weak surface low on the coast of Mexico, but this is suggesting Saturday there could be rain in places like Little Rock and Shreveport. And then Sunday, the rain begins to creep in here. And there's a tropical low in the western Gulf, not too far from Brownsville, Texas. But this would suggest some chance of light rain on Sunday. And I think we probably need to lean in that direction in the forecast. And we'll make some changes. Understand it's a close call, though. Check out the European on Sunday. This is Sunday at 1 o'clock, and this is suggesting at Talladega it would not be raining at that point, but it could be raining heavily up in the northwestern part of the state. And that rain is moving east, and, of course, it could easily rain at Talladega before the day is over. So Sunday is very iffy at the Super Speedway. It could be dry, but it's going to be a very close call, and obviously it's pretty hard to nail down the timing 6 days in advance. We'll have a much higher confidence level in what's going to happen over there later this week. But just be aware of that possibility if you're headed to Talladega for the races. And then this is Monday. You can see we have a flat ridge in place down here. And again, a weak front dissipates, and evidence of maybe a few patches of light rain or a few showers Monday, but nothing too heavy. And again, some tropical mischief down there in the southwestern Gulf. Here's the end of the forecast. This is the middle of next week, Wednesday the 28th. We've still got ridging here, and that looks dry. And that would suggest probably highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s. In fact, let's look at the numbers here coming off the ensembles. You can see the numbers ramp up toward the low 80s at the end of this week, and then they back down over the weekend. But next week, temperatures about where they should be for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. I'll be traveling today. I'm in Oklahoma City for the National Weather Association annual meeting, so just one video per day today and tomorrow. We get back to the two-a-day schedule on Wednesday. Megan Thomas will be in for me. Catch her this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.